Hello everyone, this is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Hope you guys are doing well. I am also doing well. Today I am show you how we can trigger a Lambda function by using SNS. Okay. In this session, I am going to cover these are the topic like how we can create a Lambda function from the AWS console, and then how we can assign the IAM role to that particular Lambda, and then how we can set the trigger SNS trigger to that particular Lambda or an existing Lambda, and how we can send the SNS notification to that particular topic by using Python API, SDK API, and then how to run the Lambda function by using the AWS console. And then we'll show you like how we can send a notification to that particular topic so that who all are that subscribe to that particular topic, right? They will receive that message. And then I will show you how we can debug the CloudWatch log, and then we'll do some hands-on. Okay, and at the end of this session, I will clear all these resources. That also I will show you how we can do that. Okay, okay, guys. So let's move on to that AWS console. This is CloudWatch. Let's go to AWS Lambda. Okay. Create Lambda function here. Something like that. And I'm going to use the Python, and I will create a exist role like this role. It will create. Let's click on create function. Create one. Basically, as per the architect diagram, right? We need two Lambda functions, right? So if you check this one, I need two Lambda function. One Lambda function, basically, it will publish the message to the topic. Once the message came to this topic, right, then the Lambda function has to trigger automatically. And this Lambda function, just I am reading some file from the S3. Okay. So what Lambda function here? Send this. For this Lambda function, I need to give the S3 permission, and I need to set the trigger also by SNS. It has to trigger this Lambda function, and other one Lambda function, right? We need to give that SNS permission because we are going to publish the message to that particular SNS. Right? So let's create this IAM role. Trigger by SNS Lambda. Okay, and right. So this one has to give the permission like SNS permission. So let's attach that permission here. So IAM related details I have already show the demonstration in my previous video. So I will give the link to this video description if you guys not yet watched my previous video. So please have a look into that so that you will get some clear idea about that IAM. Okay. Nice. So done. So it's done. So trigger lambda by SNS. So here we have trigger SNS. Select the topic. So this Lambda function has to be triggered once some message to came to that particular topic, right? So this is our topic. So details, it will show that. So SNS Lambda function. Yeah, so so what I'm going to do here is I'm just taking the SNS client and then I'm publishing some random message to this particular topic so that other Lambda function will get triggered. Okay, so let me copy this. Once you deploy some code, right, we have to deploy these changes. Otherwise, here it will be showing like changes is not yet deployed. So let's deploy that. Now I will show you like how we can trigger this Lambda function by using this AWS console also. Okay, so how we can do that? So let's click on test and let's create the test event. Like something like that. Any name you can use, and this all I will keep as default. Okay, so go to other Lambda function. Here, what I'm doing, I'm just reading some object from the S3 bucket. Okay, so that we came to know, okay, this Lambda function has trigger or not by using SNS. Okay, so whenever you are creating Lambda function, right, it will give some default code. So we can remove this and we can paste here. And let's deploy that changes also. So here SNS setup is done. IAM role is done. So let's publish the message to the topic. So let's trigger this Lambda by this console. So how we can trigger? Let's click on the run. So it's completed run successfully, and I am not returning any response. That's why it is a null. So, go to CloudWatch log. We can came to know here like both the Lambda function has triggered or not, and we'll get some notification. See, we got some notification, AWS notification, sample notification pushed to the topic by Lambda, and this is my subject. What we get there. So let's go to here and publish message Lambda. Already published the message so that we got the notification in my email. And let's go to the other Lambda one, which is reading some data, so which triggered by the SNS, right? So let's see. So see, it's read some of the data from my S3. So guys, like this, we can trigger the Lambda function by using SNS. So hope this session will helpful to you guys. And if you like, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. And if you have doubt or any suggestion, please put your valuable feedback to this comment section, and I will address that in my next subsequent video. Okay, guys, see you in my next video. By the time, okay, one more thing I would like to show you how we can clean up the resource, right? Okay, so clean up means like as we know, right? It is all are cost effective, right? So if in Lambda all is it is there, right? So it will be cost, right? So better we can clean up those. So let's clear this by using the action and delete the log groups. You can delete this log group like this. Why I'm deleting log group first? Because if you delete the Lambda also, right? Still this log group will be there. So let's delete first log group and then go to the Lambda. Then the Lambda function. AWS is asking for confirmation, right? Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes. This is done. And close. This two role is created now, right? So just confirm delete. We are in good state. So thanks everyone for joining this today's session. So we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.